Well, he's sort of teasing me. He's incredibly slow. But he is walking. Well, he was. He stopped as soon as I said that. This is one of those ones that, for the sake of a slightly bigger solar panel, they've made it so it almost doesn't work. Well, not in the UK anyway, where we don't get really hot sun. Oh, that's annoying. I could try spraying all the joints just in case there's too much friction. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll spray all the joints with some silicone spray. We're moving now. Slowly, but we are moving. Oh, beautiful. We'll have to see if we can get a short for this. I reckon I could leave him on the conservatory floor when we go out for our coffee and see how far he's walked when we come back. No point in doing it at the moment because the sunshine isn't on the floor, or at least not most of the floor there. I could do that, just leave him and see how far he's gone. Maybe put a time-lapse camera on him. Yeah, that's something to do. If you're interested, that's the oil I sprayed on it, silicone oil. Picked that up in Lidl's a while ago. It's handy for lubricating plastics. It actually says that there, for lubrication and protection of plastic and rubber parts.
Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.